Hello friends, you're welcome back to our training video today on Chima Dedicated Video channel. This is part of our ongoing training on creating ebook with AI. One thing is to create your ebook, making it ready, and then the next is to start selling it. So there are so many ways you can sell your ebook because that's the main thing. You want to make money from it. Now, apart from going through the rigors of the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, I want to show you in this video how to sell your ebooks directly without a third party. You sell it yourself. So please pay attention to this video and go through everything we are going to talk about in this video. It's going to be stage by stage. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Now, for those of us who are in our ebook class, immediately we are done generating our ebooks, the next thing we did is to, we were generating ebook contents. We put them on a word processing package, something like Google Doc. So if your ebook is already on Google Doc, now look at what is going to happen. Just pay attention. It's going to be that particular ebook will also be in Google Drive. And so look at it. I'm going to go to my Google Drive. So if you are using Gmail, make sure you have Google Drive on your phone. Make sure you have Google Doc on your phone. You have generated, your ebook contents from AI or anywhere from your own brain, anything, your research efforts. You have built everything in Google Doc. So any work saved in Google Doc definitely is going to be on Google Drive. So that's exactly what I want to show you right now. Now, we're going to go to my Google Drive. I click on Google Drive. I'll be able to identify that in this Google Drive, I have to use the particular email that is hosting my ebook on Google Doc. Now, I have a lot of ebooks here. Let me check the one I want to work on. Look at this one. This is ebook comprehensive success guide. This one is how to succeed as a teacher in a digital revolution. Now, assuming I want to talk about this ebook. Now, let me just open it. Please, let me open this ebook. This is from my Google Drive. Watch what I'm going to do. Please, all these parts, you have to follow them. So this is the ebook. I want to sell this ebook directly. I feel that at this moment, this ebook is ready. I want to sell it. Now, see what I'm going to do. I will click on this area. Are you seeing it? That drop down, those three lines. I click on it. I will locate this, share and export. I click on it. Now, when I do this, there's something I must do. I don't need to share. Everyone pay attention. I'm going to click on manage access. Watch. Because when you share your ebook, it matters. Now, at this point, I want to do something. I will encourage, when you want to sell your ebook, sell it in a way whereby once someone makes payment, you send the person the ebook link to download directly. You don't need to say, I collect your email. There's a way to do that. You can do that, get people's email and send them the ebook link, but go to the point of sharing the link, the download link with them, and then let them access it. And that's what we want to do now. So when you are at this point, watch what I'm doing. I want to check my setting of this ebook. So I'm going to click on that chain to see. I want us to see. Now, look at the options. You are seeing where you're having viewer. Look at the options. We have viewer, commenter, editor. Do you know what that means? If you made this ebook, leave it at viewer, that means anybody that has the link of this ebook can only open it and view the ebook. And that's the best way to do this. I'm not giving anybody, if I use commenter, that means anybody that has this ebook can view it and still write something on it. I don't stop there. What if I give it editor? That means I want the person that gets this ebook to go to the point of editing my work, that he can even change the entire thing and turn it to his own self. He can decide to wipe out the entire thing, put his name, and sell it. Do you understand? So that viewer is the best option for you. Now, if we are to be using a very bigger screen, if you are using a laptop, you are going to see other, advanced settings. That one will also set it up in a way that the person who buys this ebook or gets this ebook cannot have no power to send it to another person. If you send it to another person, it cannot open. That means I don't want to send my ebook in a way whereby I said to one person, the person will tell the other 1,000 people, people shouldn't worry to pay. I'm going to say back to you. In fact, we're going to just pay one and share with all of us. So if you have a bigger screen, you can set it up whereby you prevent the person that gets this directly from you from transferring to another person. So these settings must be ready, then we'll move on. Once the setting is ready, you can as well now copy the link of this ebook. Look at it. I copied the link. Watch what I'm doing. I see where I clicked. I clicked here. Once I click here, you see this. Look at this sign. I click here. Look at that sign of share sign. I click on it, and then you click on copy. I have this with me. Having copied it, I'm going to show you what next to do. That thing you copied, don't share it to people. Don't just share it. I'm going to show you the next thing to do. Let's get to the second part of this video. Okay, we continue on this ebook sales directly. Now, having copied that link you have generated and you are sure you are not going to compromise your ebook sales by doing the wrong setting, you've got the setting right. The next thing, please don't joke about this. Download this app, Bitly app. Download it and register account with it. It means that before now, as you are watching this video, before you start doing whatever, you must have done that. And now having on this, see what I'm going to do. I click on this app. It's already registered with my account. I click on it. Watch what I'm going to do. I want to, let me come up. You are going to see this. Once you open this app, you're going to see this plus sign here. Look at it. Click on it. That means create. I want to create short link. That's what I copied. I'm going to paste it here. I paste it here. I seen it. You cannot be sharing this long thing to somebody and say, click on this link to buy my ebook. It's dirty. Nobody wants to do that. Now, having done that, I click on shorten link. Watch. I click on shorten link. Let's see what we're going to have. Are you seeing it? Look at the link here. Now, you can see the link. It's not enough. Don't leave it this way. Look at that link. Bitly/3wiki and all that. Don't leave it that way. Click on it. Just watch me. Having clicked on it now, I want to do this. Look at this. Look at this edit icon. I'm going to click on it once again. Now, I'm going to change this. This is where you give, please don't delete the Bitly. Delete this. Put a name. Now, if you put a name that someone has ever used, it won't work. It will be a shortened name, but something that relates to your book. I may now talk about, say, digital teacher. These things should be together. Oh. You don't write it differently. They are not separated. Digital teacher, ebook. If nobody has used this, it's going to work. Having done that, watch what I'm going to do. I may put tag. Maybe ebook tag. I may add another tag. This is not compulsory. This area I'm doing now is never compulsory. It's optional. But having done that, I'll click on this plus sign here. I mean, the tick sign to say create. Watch. Are you seeing it? Look at it. Look at the newest. Look at it. Now, if I'm selling this ebook, I'll simply share this. Bitly.digital teacher ebook. By the time I've already, advertised my ebook anywhere, whether on social media, anywhere, I will drop my ebook e-cover. The e-cover will you prepare with both Canva and Addison. That's why some of us who are on this particular on our training on ebook, we told you have to do that. If you are going to sell this on Amazon KDP, you don't need that Addison design. The Canva design does alone. But when you're going to say this indirectly, you need that one that is more flashy. So anywhere you talk about this ebook, you present it on social media, this is the link you're going to drop with people, and it makes meaning. When people look at this link, they say, wow, this Start Teacher ebook is a pure design. But when they click it, they're going to find themselves on your drive, where they can now download that ebook and make use of it. That's how powerful these tools are. So this is exactly how to sell your ebook directly. So at this point, your ebook is ready. Your link to your ebook download is ready. All you need to do, anywhere you go, advertise your ebook cover. Attach this link, this what you just see me do now, attach it if you want to buy. But in that case, you may not want to do that, yes. You may just want to do it in a way that whereby you say, okay, look at the ebook. If you want to buy, pay some, and when the people now pay, you drop the link with them. Do you understand it? You drop the link with that person, and that's exactly how it was. In that case, you may need to do it in a in a place, in a coded way, where all the people that paid are the people that receive your link to get this. Now that's one point. And that way, it will sell directly through email. And I'm going to show you that right now without going through this bit.ly and all no bit.ly. You say directly through their email. Let's continue now. Now the next and final stage is for you to sell this ebook without worrying your brain over short link and all that. You want to sell through all of their emails. So what do? You're already on your Google Drive. There's the ebook. You have opened it up. So you're going to look at this. Click on this. See it? So click on it. When you click on it, at this point, you can add their emails. At this point, you can add their emails. Let's say, I seen it. As I'm typing now, emails are coming out. Imagine this is the person I want to send this ebook to. Just look at it. And then once I add the email, I'm going to change the setting. Very important to change this setting. Now this person is writing editor. If I send this in this way, it means the person has the power to change everything I've written, including my name, and put his own. Now I change it to just viewer, so that you can only watch and see the ebook. Notify people. When I send this, will I need to notify the people in their listing that I've sent it? Yes. Now, do I need to add a little image? Yes. Maybe, message. Message where I say, okay, thanks for buying from us. Click on the link below to download your ebook. Now, okay, thanks for patronizing us. Click on the link below to access this ebook. Are you seeing it? So once I'm done, if I have multiple people, I will still type their whatever. Yeah, let me type another one. Let's say this one. So I have 2 of them already. Now, at this point, I will now click on this place to send it. I'll send it. I've sent this particular ebook. Now let's go. Let me go to one of this email, and you see what the person will see on his or her email. So this is one of the emails where I send this. Let me see what it's going to look like. Look at it. Look at the document. Instantly sent. Are you seeing it? I click on this. How to succeed as a teacher in a digital revolution. Chima dedicated to share the document. I seen it, so I can open that document from here. I can open it. Let me click on open. Open with my own email. This is it. So as an email owner, I've opened it. This is the book. The book that this person has written, I purchased. I can see everything. So that I'm selling my book already. This guy have bought this one and it's there. Even as I'm talking to you, you can buy this book. This book is mainly for teachers living in this age. It's a powerful ebook. So you can as well buy from me. So I sold one of my ebook copies directly. So this person now can as well that if you want to download it, still go to this here and download. Very simple. If you want to download it to accept it, you don't need to download because it's a phone, except in a situation where you want to say download it, maybe any other place and all that. So at this point, it can download to anywhere. But that's the ebook already on your phone. You can now look at the ebook. That is exactly, you have sold that ebook. Do you see how to sell directly? So when you prepare your ebook, you can sell this ebook. Now the whole thing now is on marketing. For you to know how to market it, you can tell people, friends who love you, I've written my first ebook, please patronize me. Even if you are selling it as 1K, some people might just to support you. And that's what it should be. People who love you will be able to say, okay, I want to start your ebook journey with 10K. I support you. It's like a book launch. Please, I'm launching my first ebook. I created with AI. I'm launching it. Everyone, please, whatever you can pay, I send it to you directly. Just supply your email account, and that's it. You started sending, you begin to have a test of doing this, and that's what it should be. When you talk about online content, making money from online, you can tell yourself, I've done it. I'm able to test that I can make money online from what my efforts can generate online. And that's what it is. So if you are new to this channel, I encourage you, follow us here, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to join this ebook creation we're doing. What you just see is just a tip of an iceberg. There are lots about this. So if you want to join what we're doing, you can join us. They were charging, so it's just something that's just for a cup of coffee. You can join us and learn how to create ebooks upon ebook that you can sell and make money. I have a test of online money making opportunities. So I'm going to stop at this point. Please share this video and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Just a like. Thanks for watching.